we've been lucky in our industry to continue to work nearly uninterrupted with, some changes in protocols. It is definitely taking a toll on a lot of people. What are some of the tips and strategies that you can give us to help people coping with COVID-19 changes in the workplace?
This is not normal, what we're living through. This is not something that people should just, tough up and bear it. 1 in 3 since COVID are either dealing with depression or anxiety, whether it's being quarantined, losing their job, some type of financial strain, relationship strain, being home with someone that you're not getting along with. There's a lot of impact that's happening. One of the tips I give them in my resilience program is what does your workspace look like? How energized are you by your workspace? There's 3 things you can do. You can change what you look at, you can change what you're smelling, and you can change what you're hearing. If you make those 3 little adjustments to what you're looking at all day long, maybe take an infuser and put some essential oil in there, and you're appealing to all of your senses, you're going to feel revitalized, and you're going to feel that you're able to focus, and you're going to feel good about your space. So that's just one of the many tips that I give people in my resilience program, because I think the first thing we have to do is remind people the power that they do still have, instead of, oh, well, this is being taken from me. This routine is now gone. I can't go here. We need to redirect them to what they do have full control over. That's so important. It's so important that the space that you're in, especially if you're homebound, is a space that you feel good in. And, I'm not saying that for you to work like excessive amounts of hours. I'm saying be engaged and be energized by your space. It's so important.
Thank you so much.